Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata guys. If you have a Hyundai Sonata, you need to remove or replace radiator fan guys. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. It's not very complicated procedure, but you need to follow certain procedure, otherwise you can cause damage to your engine, your car, yourself. So you guys always have to be safe. So we will explain what that is. Also we will explain how you can test radiator fan. If yours is not working, how to find out what's wrong with it. It could be really simple fix. So all that will be covered today on a Hyundai Sonata. So this should actually work on Hyundai Sonata generation from year 2010 all the way to year 2015 guys. Also let me introduce you quick to the channel. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, and you can see where we get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, and specifically guys on this Hyundai Sonata we'll have more than 300 videos, mechanical videos that will be uploaded on the channel you're watching right now, and we'll have more than 200 electrical videos about diagnostics, fixing electrical components, and that will be posted on our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys. Everything will be shared so we can guys save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. So this specifically, it's a 2013 Hyundai Sonata guys, that we have right here, 2013. What you need to do now guys, working on the radiator fan, that fan can activate anytime and cut your fingers off. So what we'll recommend, to have the car battery disconnected. You will have to disconnect the car battery because that fan can turn on and actually cut your fingers off guys. So we'll go ahead, disconnect ours and we'll continue. So our car battery has been disconnected. On these modern vehicles it really matters which battery terminal you need to disconnect first and reconnect first, positive or negative. If you do it wrong, it can cause damage to the electric system, engine, computer, modules. That could be expensive. So if you don't know that, we'll have the link in the description of the video below that explains all that. So we'll need to remove the air duct right here. 10 or 12 millimeter socket depending on which ear you have guys. You will need to remove 2 bolts holding that air duct in place, and then we'll be able to pull it out. We'll show you in just a second what we're talking about. So let's go ahead, pull it out, pull up. Perfect, just like that. This is the radiator fan that we have right here. You can see how open it is now. But before we continue, you may have an upper radiator hose that you need to remove the bracket that holds it to the radiator fan assembly, 10 millimeter socket. We'll go ahead and get that bolt loose as well, to make sure that we can actually pull it out. That way we don't need to drain the coolant. So let's see if it's going to come loose. Perfect, I think that will be enough room. Next guys, right here you have 2 wires, but that's the one that we need to disconnect. This is the radiator fan resistor right here. You grab right here, pull, and you disconnect it. Perfect, you don't need to do this one. This is on the motor from the resistor, so this one just stays here. Now right here guys, we have another 10 millimeter bolt that we need to remove. You can see where it's located. It's pretty simple. So that's what we're doing right now. Perfect, this one is out. We have exactly the same bolt on the other side guys. Right there. This is on the other side of the fan. So let's go ahead, get it loose, and we'll try to remove it as well. You can see where we're located now. Perfect. Now on the bottom side guys, you have 2 clips, one right there, one will be on the other side. You need to pull that clip, check it out, pull it like that, and now we need to pull the fan out on this side. Just careful. Now the same thing needs to be done to the other side. You go in, you spread the clip, you pull it up. Now we have the hose here holding, so we need to come in an angle, like that. Let's see if we come a little bit more. Perfect. Then we can slide towards me a little bit. Give me a second now, because we don't want to break the radiator there. We're hitting that clip here a little bit. I need to come out on the bottom side. So 1 second. You need to pull on the bottom, out. Nope, nope. Okay, you come up on this side, then you come out, guys. Okay, just like that. And radiator fan comes out. Now, if you want to see, guys, the top reasons why radiator fan doesn't work on Hyundai Sonata, or how to test radiator fan on Hyundai Sonata and find out what's wrong with it, the video will be on our channel, so please check it out. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. If you have any questions, let us know. And if you need to buy a new one, you will find the link in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.